A calm day on the water quickly became unforgettable for a group of surprised kayakers. As they paddled peacefully, a giant squid suddenly emerged and aggressively wrapped its tentacles around a nearby surfboard. The kayakers watched in shock as the massive creature clung tightly. The squid's powerful grip moved from the surfboard to one of the kayaks, holding it firmly. The kayakers struggled to keep their balance as the creature's tentacles tightened, making the situation more intense. In the heart of a Tanzanian safari, something colossal moves through the wild, a true giant among giants. Towering above the trees,